Hi and welcome to a new video from Wild and Woolly. Today we are going to make a beetroot soup or Borshch. We see here at first Siv is digging up some of our potatoes. Here's a little special shaped potato. Then she will harvest some of our leek. And of course also some beetroot. This has been a project that I've been experimenting with this year and it has been a great success, so we will definitely keep growing those in the years to come. Then she also takes some sprout leaves. They can use like cabbage. And also she harvests some green cabbage and some zucchinis. And then it's back to the kitchen where we will start making the soup. It's a broth made from lamb here on the wood stove. We'll peel the potatoes and chop them up in small pieces. We also take the beetroot leaves and chop them up and use in the soup. And all the cabbage also. And the rest of the zucchinis, leek and onions. And of course also the beetroot. Also this year we have had success with onions, and we hope next year that we have onions that are grown from our own seeds. So this is very exciting. After the meat has been cooking in the water for approximately 3 hours, she is taking up the bones and meat, where she will peel off the meat from the bones, and then we can later add the meat to the soup. And here we see the broth, where she will put all the vegetables in, and then add spices like salt and pepper, garlic if you like. This is individual, I think. And then she will give it a good stir and let it simmer and cook for a good while over the stove. And when it's been cooking for an hour's time, the beetroot soup is finished. And voila, a lovely dish with the ingredients from our garden is ready to be served. So now it's just to enjoy this lovely soup. Thank you for watching. Stay safe out there in YouTube land. If you enjoyed this video, of course, please like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us a lot, and we'll continue posting our small videos from our daily life. Bon appetit. Bye for now.